this is how to go about this work. So many persons asking me that they don't know what they are doing exactly in this. So to get started, see the first thing to do. You can check here. Click on this. Let's do it. Click on this. This one always returns you to their home page. Do you understand? Whereas this one takes you to always make use of this. Check this. It takes you to your level. Is your level. Look at what they wrote here. Whenever the higher you go, 95 SP to take me to another level. That is to 40. To take me to 40. Do you understand? Level 40. I am currently at level 39. So the more SP I get, the higher my level. So this is it on this. Then if you want to refer, you use this to refer. You refer with this. You click on this place to refer. Oh, I'm jumping something. So for this is gem. What is the work of gem? Gem is what you use. Gem is what you use to buy your ticket. This is what gives you access to anything you want to do here. The higher, the more gem you earn. Anything you're doing, they take it from your gem to give you access to get a ticket. Do you understand? Then on this is the withdrawable amount. So let me tap on it so you see. So I want to withdraw. Do you see the right top? They are telling me that the minimum I can withdraw is $37. So I need more dollars to be able to place a withdrawal. So now on this is the streak. That is how many days I've been now active. So I've done for 8 days, and the higher every day, whenever you come online and claim your daily reward, your streak increases. So this is it on this. Then on this, you can always access it. You click on your menu. This is your accounts. This is your accounts. Let's check it out. This is what you see on accounts. Always do this. Always check around my winnings. This is where I see my winnings, my daily winnings. So this is again a referral. This is where you see that and the profit that comes with it. So this is it. All these are what you gain from this. Then on this, my clan. This is where you see who referred you, and so far everything, the members, everything you need to know. You always check it out here. Then on this, my reward. You can check out your rewards, the ones you have claimed and the ones your everything, the ones you have claimed. So the withdrawal, we've done withdrawal. Then if you also want to have a training tutorial, you want to see the information they have for us, you can check it out here. Let me click on this one is talking about how to play, earn more gems from the free daily spin whenever you spin on a daily basis. So you can see, why do I need a gem? This is where you know why you need a gem. You need it to exchange for ticket. Ticket is what gives you access to some dollars, so you can go through the whole thing and understand it better. This is what gives you access. If you want to now start entry, if you want to enter a ticket, I'll show you where you do that and how it's being done. So this is it on this. Then 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 what again? Then support. If you want to reach out to support, that is how where you reach out to support. I think I'm done with this. Then what next? Uh, this one is a new ticket that is ongoing. This is a new ticket that is ongoing. So for you to enter a ticket every day, $100, $100,000. For you to enter a new ticket, people are really close. People are really making money from this. This one will close by 3:28 p.m. That's when this particular ticket will close. So you need to enter as many as you can, as many as your gem can lead you. So let me enter. Let me see if I can enter feed. When you click on it, what do you have to do? To type any number, try to guess. If you guess it right, there comes your prize. So you can do this. Let me do 1 2. Just tap tap. Use your anyhow. You can do odd number. You can do even number. So anyone you can do. This is it. I will. Let me. You now click. You scroll down and click on submit ticket. That's it. You confirm it. This one cost me 200 gems. It will cost me 200 gems and 30 SP. That is what it will cost me. Then you now confirm it. So you confirm it. That's the likely what I will eat. You continue. You take out this. You remove this thing. You remove this. You do another one. You continue to enter tickets. Do as many as you can. Now, if you want to see how many you have done, look at it. My ticket. I have I have 32 tickets, and I still have gems. I can still do more if I so desire. I can still do more if I so desire because I have enough SPM gems. So this is it on this, but it will end at so time. So that is it. You can also do reshuffling. You can do reshuffling, add reshuffled. You can do this. It will cost you 100 gems. So you tap on this. When you tap on it, it will pick by itself. When it does, you submit. You submit and it will cost you 100. That's why it's minus 100. And you can close it. That is if you don't want to get it by yourself. You can always allow the system decide for you. So this is it on this. So what next do I need to, okay? Take me back to, okay, these are the ones, okay, this one is the one I have. So this is where I need to make use of this. I'll tap on it. When I do, it takes me back to this place. So this is the one we just handled. So what's the next one? The next one is to spin. Do your daily spin. I spin, I tap on spin, I spin the wheel, spin the wheel there, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, allow it to finish. So this is it. I just won another 265 gems. So I continue and I close because I don't have another one. I don't have more. So if you want to do the game, that's it on this. The next spin, the next spin, okay. The next spin will be in next 7 hours. That's the next 7 hours. That's when I'll have the opportunity to spin again. Then for this, for the game, what is required is also your gem. They make use of your gem for this. Just tap on this. You tap on drop and you run the game. This is it on this. Look at this one. Zeno 2 is another game. You tap on quick play to to achieve this too. Then I take this back again on that menu, brings me back to this. I think that is it. Okay, these are the recent wins. Look at what people have won. Look at the winnings. People are making money here. I think that is all. This is the draw that is already completed. This is what we've done and what you won. And how many persons, look at this one. Look at how many persons that participated in this. How many tickets that was participated. So this is it. You can always view your wins, like the tickets already done. I think that is all about this. So I don't know if you have any other question, you can feel free to ask me in the group. But meanwhile, everything is covered and a video on how to register has already been done. So thank you and do have a lovely day. Full wealth and care always.